How to fix pending payments on Whatnot app. In order to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Whatnot. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your specific account, now what you want to do is move into account at the bottom right corner. You can see the option of payments and shipping. Move into it. In this page, it will show you all the payment methods that you have added. Well, first of all, you have to check whether all the information that you have entered is correct or not. Most of the time, it might be incorrect and it might cause the issue that you have been facing. So once all the informations are correct, and if you're still facing the issue, then try changing the payment method. Or remove the payment method that you have entered and then re-enter it. Re-entering the information or payment method has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.